This is our 11th IPW that we are hosting here in California.
The energy that's here, a big thank you to Adam and everybody on the LA team. We'll have 5,700 attendees. Of those, about 2,000 are either international media or buyers. It's a record in terms of international media for IPW.
This week is all about giving you a taste of what we have to offer.
What happens in California is special. The relationship that people have in this room, how people work together, is not mimicked in other states.
So let's take a quick look at all of the new reasons there are to come and not only visit our City of Angels, but to see everything that the Golden State has to offer.
We are launching our ultimate playground right here at IPW. This would not be possible without the partnership and the icons of California. You're all here on this page. It's just been incredible. Where we sit as a travel destination with this incredible embarrassment of riches, the most diverse destination on the planet, this incredible abundance, married to this idea of this beautiful, diverse, inclusive culture, and it puts us right at the ultimate playground. And you have brought it to life just out front with the Plaza. I mean, California is basically repackaged and new, and if you haven't come to California in the last couple of years, you really haven't seen California.